Hello live wires! Today it is Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to twist wire with a Dremel. So I'm sitting here underneath my filming table because I want to show you the setup. This is where I hang the motor of the Dremel, just underneath the table here. This is the foot pedal that's going to control the speed. This is the piece where you put the drill bits and the little bits for sanding and other things. But today we're going to be sticking the ends of the wire in there so we can twist it. Now, if you don't have a Dremel, you can do it by hand. I'll link up some videos below, or you can use a regular drill. So we'll take about an 18-inch piece of the 18 gauge wire, and you want to start by just folding it right in half. You want the ends to line up. Keep the wires as straight as you can. We'll loosen up the end of the Dremel. We'll stick the ends right in there. Stick them in far enough so they'll hold, and now we're going to tighten up the Dremel. After that, we're going to take a scrap of wire and just bend it in half and loop it into the end here. These we're just going to hold with our pliers to secure them even more. Just wind the ends around once or twice, and then we're going to hold these apart. And then you can't see, but I'm going to push on the foot pedal and it's going to twist. So hold it and it'll twist. Just go slowly until you're happy with the amount that it's twisted. So we can keep it loose or we can go a little tighter. After that, we'll remove that little end, clip it off. This is a good way to use your scraps of wire, and then just loosen this one up and remove it. Just to show you the difference, this is done with the 18 gauge wire, this is done with the 20 gauge wire. You can even do it with thinner wire like 22 gauge wire. So now to use the wire, we could clip off the end that's a little more uneven. So from here we can actually untwist the end a little bit. So just take the end, untwist it like that. So we have about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch on the end, and just clip that off. Now to make it easier to work with, you can just straighten it out a little bit with your flat pliers, or if you have some nylon tip pliers, that would work well. So from here we could bend it at a right angle, take our pill bottle and bring this around to form our loop. And here also, you can actually untwist it to the right length. So you're going to see how much you need to untwist. Clip that. So you just have one wire left. This end you don't really have to straighten out. We're just going to take it and wind it around and pull it quite tight. And then we're just going to clip that. And then we want to just flatten this out a little bit. You can put it back on the round form to make sure it stays round. Gives us a good little tug. And then take your larger round pliers and just bend it around. Just to make a closed loop like that. You can always put it back on the round form again to make sure it's round. You can hammer it if you want it stiffer. If you want to make your own earring hooks, just take some 20 gauge wire that's hypoallergenic. Clip the ends so they're flush. We're just going to make a little loop, and here too, make a little loop. Line them up. I'll link up some other videos where I make these using the looping pliers. So we're going to bring this one down here. This is just a very simple way to make earring hooks. Bend them out. Making them together ensures that they're the same size. Clip the end. Be sure to file them. You can use a reamer to soften the ends. You can buy electric ones or just do it manually. You just rotate it around and turn it back and forth, and it'll just soften up those ends. And then just open them up, stick on your earring hoop, close it up, and there you have some beautiful hoop earrings made with wire that you've twisted yourself. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And we'll see you the next time.